welcome back to another manufacturer introduction here from your Sales Management Solutions team. Today's introduction is PDM, aka PDM US. This is our line sets manufacturer based right here in the USA. We got Italian quality being made right in South Carolina. So let's kick that off, right? So we got made in the USA. We have Rock Hill, South Carolina. And again, as a line sets manufacturer, they're leading the market with the best copper we could put in. So we're trying to source as much as we can from USA mills. This is ASTM B280. You got 700 PSI, R410 copper. Anybody who understands line sets knows the importance of good quality copper being run through that insulated jacketing. So again, we are the only USA line sets company to be UL certified for ASTM E84 2550. That is for the flame and smoke spread. So we have that UL listing. We're also UL performance verified for UV exposure. Again, only USA-based manufacturing company that has that achievement. We have both of these achievements printed right on the jacketing of line sets. So there's nothing to hide there. Only a manufacturer that has been recognized for that can actually list and print that right on the jacketing, and we're proud to do so. We're also, as of a few years ago, the only line sets company that has truly figured out the scientific solution to the corrosion phenomenon that was really more heavily impacting like the New England region, especially here in the Northeast USA. Since we are a Northeast USA based sales representation firm, that is very, very important to us. So we're happy to say that that's been recognized, overcome, reformulated, and added back into the design to ensure this does not happen again. And PDM has stepped up and even added that into their warranty to support our products. So we have competitive lead times. We have 12 pallets free freight. And as far as notable points, we do have a superlative R values from R4 up to R9. Again, besides the UL recognitions that are printed on the jacketing, we also print the foot markings on the line set. That's a big advantage for a contractor who's trying to set up a multi-unit job, and they want to measure out the right amount of line set to figure out the right amount of refrigerant, et cetera. So again, as far as those ULs, if you ever need to confirm what I have said today, go check out verify.ul.com. There is a verifications link right here that we're showing here today that'll take you directly to where PDM is listed. So again, support made in the USA, based right out of Rock Hill, South Carolina. PDM Line Sets is our manufacturing partner. Learn more here on smsteam.co or obviously on our YouTube channel for the PDM playlist. And again, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for partnering with SMS Team and our valued manufacturers.